The voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, today we're talking about Bitcoin. Is this a dead cat bounce? We see a little retraction there in the price. I wanted to talk about it. This is a live broadcast. We're warming up the Bitcoin cryptocurrency oven to 450 and beyond. Make sure you're touching the buttons for me, the like, the subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. Stay tuned in to the good crypto word that we spread here daily. I see the boomers congregating in the population of the chat box. Lee Banky, always one of the first to comment out there. Queen's Racist, good morning out there. Make sure you're dropping a comment there. Let me know if you could read me loud and clear on the audio. We're still having a bit of a technical difficulties with the open broadcast software. I've been trying to get the screen to display my screen share, but it seems like we can't do it. So I'm going to take the weekend and try to figure it out. In the meantime and in between time, we'll be rocking with the voice. Please give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you could hear me and read me loud and clear there. 10-4, roger that. Read you and hear you perfect. Thank you, Queen's Racing. Reed Max says, what's up, champ? Audio's good. Okay, audio sounds good. All right, so it seems like the only problem I'm having here is trying to share my screen, because when I try to toggle over, it doesn't allow me to, but that's what it is. We'll figure it out on the weekend. It's all good. Segwit says, loud and clear, champ. Thank you. Thank you. It's the voice here. If you're just tuning in, this indeed is a live broadcast. We're live. We're live. We're live. Is this a dead cat bounce? Are we getting faked out here? For a second there, everybody thought it was going to kaboom again, but I told you, tread lightly. Things could go lower. We don't know. This is new waters that no cryptomaniac has treaded and swam in before. And it is what it is. It could go lower. We talked about these Bitcoin bubble bursts on Monday, up to 94% retraction from the all-time highs, what we've seen in the past. From 20,000 to 3,550, that's over 80, but less than 94. So according to the mathematics, things could go lower. I want you guys to tread lightly. Keep one in the chamber out there. Make sure you have the storm supplies ready, the perishable goods, the Berkey water filters, the generators, and the rest of the storm supplies out there, just in case we get hit by a rogue wave. Good morning to D-Rock. Good morning to Segwit, Lee, Reed, Mac, Queens, and the rest of the boomers here in the population of the chat box. Let's check out today's mathematics and see how healthy or ill things are looking here. I'll be reading to you from CoinMarketCap. I'm hitting refresh. We're currently at $131 billion worldwide. $131 billion worldwide. Looks like we've lost about $2 billion, $3 billion overnight. That's not a big deal, but there is red on the field today, blood on the streets, and still some casualties of war occurring out there. Good morning to Lee Banky. He just dropped $9.99 out there. I appreciate you for the storm supplies, champ. Let me throw a bomb out there for Lee. Sniper rifle. Lee Banky, one of our high-ranking officials out there, just showed some gratuity, and I appreciate you, Lee. It's guys like Lee, like Reed Mac, like D-Rock, like Queens that keep me going here in the morning, even during these downtimes, during these bear markets. The boomers are here still holding the line very strong. I appreciate you, Lee. Let me drop a little money, a little fiat off the ceiling for you. Thank you once again. Good morning to Crypto Farmer. Good morning to Nano and the rest of the crypto brothers here that are congregating in the population of the chat box. The super chat is open if you'd like to show some gratuity. Do you have 10 on it like Lee Banky did? I appreciate it. If you don't have 10, throw 5, throw 2. If not, throw a positive comment. Let us know that you're here and that you're radiating the positive energy indeed. Bitcoin currently at $4,055. Kind of lost a bit of a weight overnight. We were at, what, 41, 42 yesterday. Everybody was rejoicing. They said that it was bullish news out there. I wasn't believing the hype. That's what it is. Expect things to go lower. This could be a dead cat bounce where things go down, they go back up, and then they go down again. So watch out there. I'm not convinced with the short term of Bitcoin here. I'm not. For the next months to several months, I think it could be a sideways market. It could go lower. Now, for the mid to long term, I'm a boomer like no other. I believe in Bitcoin for the long gun out there, and I believe that we will hit all-time highs somewhere close to the next halving, which occurs in 2020. Ripple at 36 cents. Ripple smelling like central banking, and I think now during these cold crypto winters, people are going over to the central bank system, hoping that they can get him some capital. But I'm not I'm not believing this Ripple here, guys. Ethereum at $114. Ethereum has lost its number 3 spot. Ethereum looking frail, skinny, and malnourished. Guys, send some vitamins over there. Send something. Stellar now at number 4, being Ripple's little cousin. Stellar creeping on up. We have a few boomers out there that they like the Stellar, the Lumens out there. And, you know, like I said, it's blood brothers or cousins here with Ripple. So I got an eye on it. Although I don't feel as negative about Stellar as I do about Ripple. You know, let me know how you feel about that. Bitcoin Cash falling in the rankings out there at $175. EOS number 6 at $292, looking slim for EOS, looking slim. Litecoin at $32. Tether at 99 cents. We got Bitcoin Satoshi Vision at $96. I'm not believing that one. And then we got Cardano at 3 cents. Shout out to Cardano maintaining the top 10 out there. I like Cardano. Monero at 57. Tron at 1 cent. Tron's looking all right too. Tron's all right. It's not going away. I see some community being built out there. People using the dApps or whatnot. I'm not on the Tron train, excuse me. But it looks okay. IOTA at 28 cents, and you got Dash at $92 as the rest of the boomers tune into the population of the chat box. Kaboom to revolutionists. The Cardano general. He says that Cardano will finish ETH. Ethereum's looking slim out there and looks like it's being obliterated now by Ripple. Stellar's breathing down its neck. And watch out with EOS. It's coming for Ethereum as well. So Ethereum might lose to not only those coins, but Cardano as well. Ether better. Do something quicker than quick. Someone get Vitalik on the horn out there and get him doing some strong lifts immediately. D-Rock says, I was thinking of it was a bull trap, but you know I'm long term. Yeah, I mean, I told you guys that it may, you know, it may go to the, you know, may go down south. I see the live stream health now in red, looking like garbage right now. What's going on here with the live stream? Let me hit refresh on things and make sure. Funny Bunny's eating your wires again. Yeah, indeed. I'm thinking Bitcoin, Ripple, Stellar, Litecoin, and Monero will be used next year as payment option, but I'm no expert. Those sound like possibilities. And, you know, that's what it is. It may very well be the case out there, guys. It may very well be the case out there. Let me know if you are rocking with me. I see the live stream health looking kind of red right now. We're being attacked here on the left flank. I don't know what's going on, guys. It is what it is. Reed Mac with the $2. Kaboom to Reed Mac. Let me throw you a bomb out there. Let me throw you a sniper rifle. Reed with the $2. I appreciate you. He says, thank you for keeping us motivated, champ. And thank you for showing love here in the population. I appreciate you, Reed. I definitely appreciate you indeed. Let me go ahead and hit refresh and make sure that we're tuned in here because the live stream health is looking slim. Drop a comment there in the population. I'm not sure if I'm knocked off or not, but I'm still seeing a few chats come in, so it thinks that we're holding on to a thin thread here on the live stream. Hopefully it keeps going. I appreciate it, Reed. If you could read me over and out, 10-4, Roger that. I appreciate your $2 there. Lean Banky says, kaboom. We see you, champ. All right. Excellent. Excellent. I'm glad. You know, on my end, it says live stream health is in the red. So it looks like we're going through another attack here, but we'll continue to push the line forward. Thanks again to Reed Mac. Shout out to D-Rock. He says Bitcoin, Ripple, Stellar, Litecoin, and Monero could be used as next year as payment, but he's no option expert. But that's what it is. Still hear you. Okay, that's all that matters. That's all that matters. The voice is coming through. We'll worry about all those other technical difficulties this weekend when we have some time. Be honest, I haven't had much time to check this thing out. So many things going on. But just as long as the voice goes through and we're all good. You know, if worse comes to worse, we're going to have to report here in Morse code. It is the deal. Rafterman says, I hear you. Okay. Okay, indeed. So let's go back here to the cryptocurrency market caps. Dash was at 92, and then number 15, NEM. Could anybody tell me something about NEM? It's always there. It hasn't gone away. NEM, New Energy Markets or Movements. It's at 7 cents, and there it is. Let's see who the winners are today here as far as gains. Gains again with DAI, which is a stable coin. You know how I feel about that. Funnier than the bunnies. Let me throw the funny bunny out there. These stable coins are indeed, they're a concern. I'll tell you that much. Snipe them out the box. Rafterman just dropped $2 out there. Kaboom to Rafterman. I see you, Rafterman. Let me throw some money out there for you. Rafterman, one of our most gratuitous boomers. He's got 2 on it out there. Reed Max got 2 on it. Lee Banky's got $9.99 on it. Drop a comment there, a positive comment. Drop some super chat there in the population. They all go to Baby Champs Formula Fund. Thank you, Rafterman. I appreciate it. Thank you, Reed Mac. And thank you, Lee Banky. Fanny Castile says, Kaboom finally made it on the live broadcast. Yeah, I know it's going through a little choppy right now. Live stream health is on red, but apparently you guys can read me and hear the voice loud and clear, so it's all good. It's all good. Thank you once again for the super chat gratuity out there. I came across an article. It's talking about Satoshi, a message from above. Apparently, Satoshi Nakamoto's peer-to-peer profile has just sent an update on his peer-to-peer. Consists of only one word, nower, quotation marks included. So Satoshi Nakamoto's peer-to-peer profile posted one word, nower, in quotations. Many are now questioning whether it's the real Nakamoto, as his profile suspected of being compromised 4 years ago. So let me know. What do you think about that? Is that the real Satoshi, or have they hacked his profile out there? Indeed. We've been talking about the Bitcoin price. I'm looking here on the markets, and I think we're getting faked out. I think we may be going back into the $3,000 range. Right now, Bitcoin is at about 4,000 flat on Coinbase. So we may be going down. Let me know what you think the price will do over the weekend. Technicals on Bitcoins are a strong sell according to TradingView, and that's what it is. And that's what it is. Just want to make sure you guys are prepared. You know, manage expectations out there, because, you know, some people got excited when the market went back up. I saw some tubers posting saying that this is bullish signs. The storm may be over. And, you know, I'm always positive. But again, we got to manage expectations for the long gunner out here, just in case things go down a little bit more out there. Today, we'll be doing our second live stream of the day, a little after this one. We'll keep this one short today, being that there's not much news and things to talk about. I think we're at where we were before just yesterday. Today, we'll also be talking about general self-improvement, crypto diet, and exercise on our second live stream that we'll be doing shortly after this broadcast. So drop a comment, question here in the population of the chat box. Let me know if you came across any bullish information out there, and that way we could report it here in the population. RZ says, Kaboom. Good morning to RZ. Let me drop a bomb for you. Shout out to Rafterman, Reed Mack, and Lee Banky, the rest of the boomers out there. Queens Races out there. D-Rock says, Champ, I'm hearing Zcoin on Coinbase. Looking like you called it again. Last time you said bad and hit it. Yeah. It's Zcash, if I'm not mistaken. So we talked about that yesterday. Thanks for bringing that up. You know, I had, you know, been frequenting some forums out there, and the rumor was that Zcash was going to be the next listing by Coinbase. And indeed, it apparently is. So, yeah, Zcash has been listed by Coinbase out there. I haven't confirmed it myself, but I've seen some other tubers, headlines, and now D-Rock is here in the population letting us know. So apparently that was correct. That was correct. So, you know, I should have maybe rode that train, but you never know. That's the thing with the crypto. You never really know, you know, if people are just shilling the coin, if they're just puffing out there, or if it's indeed facts. But indeed, it appears like that was more than just a rumor. It was a fact. Zcash is indeed there. Rafterman says, give me a train whistle. All aboard. All aboard out there. D-Rock says, you got the lottery numbers. I hope I wish I did, D-Rock. I wish I did. Let's see, you know, which one is the next coin. Now, someone said here in the population yesterday that it's either Zcash or Stellar Lumens that's next. And that could be true. Keep an eye on Stellar. Keep an eye on Stellar. I see it steadily moving up the ranking. It just knocked off EOS, and now it's a top 5 coin. Stellar right now is what, number 4? Let me check Stellar again here. Stellar Lumens. I'll hit refresh here on CoinMarketCap. And Stellar's number 4. Indeed, it's at 16 cents. So that very well may be the next coin that's traded on Coinbase. I haven't came across rumors, but logically it makes some sort of sense out there. Yeah, D-Rock says, I'm thinking Stellar will be the #2 on the index in his opinion. Yeah, watch out for Stellar. Now, apparently Stellar is built by the same people that built Ripple, and those that built Ripple felt that it was too centralized, so they made Stellar. So Stellar could be a little less centralized. I don't know. I don't know much about Stellar. I've gave it a pass out here. It does smell like central banking, being that it's a family with Ripple by blood. So, you know, let me know what you think about that. Mark D says Stellar falling less fast. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's moving up the ranking. So that's what it is. Rafterman says dollar cost average all day. It looks like there's good deals out there as far as the bits. You know, we've gave our crypto winter survival tips this week. And, you know, one of my personal opinions is always to keep the majority of the bag in Bitcoin. And I think Rafterman shared earlier this week, if I'm not mistaken, that he has over 80% of his portfolio in the bits. And I'm not upset at that. I think that's a conservative strategy. Drop a comment there in the population of the chat box. Blockchain Susha is back here. He says, my Stellar bag is very small. What's up to Blockchain Susha, another high-ranking official, a sniper out there. Let me throw you a sniper rifle. So he has a Stellar bag. Who else has Stellar bags here? Let me know. Someone gave them to Blockchain Susha, he believes. Okay. Rafterman's asking if I know Theta. I've heard of it, but I know nothing about it. I'm going to be honest with you. Michael is in the box. He says, what's up, crypto's finest? What's up to you, Michael? Let me throw you a bomb here. Welcome to the population. Lazor is here as well. Let me throw you a sniper. Welcome to the population. The crypto brothers are here in the box. The voice of the blockchain here, reporting live. Reporting live. More bits, more bits, more bits, more bits, and more kabooms worldwide. This could be a dead cat bounce. You know, just a little quick spike up yesterday. I saw some of the headlines, these chart trend analysis, these charters out there saying things are looking good and it's bullish news. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. I'm not believing the charts out here. You know, the charts out there with the technicals, I'm sure some of them are okay. But right now there's so much emotion in the market that I don't believe that you can chart cryptocurrencies the same way you chart stocks and bonds. You got to, you know, there's other factors involved, in my personal opinion. But again, I am not, you know, a pro. Fanny says, I got a Stellar bag. Okay, Fanny. Okay, so Fanny, welcome to the population. Fanny is a bag holder, Stellar, Lumens. Okay, thanks for sharing that. D-Rock says he hasn't given up on Litecoin, but Stellar looking like it could be the payment crypto of choice. Speculative. Yeah, you know, again, I told you months ago, I said, I'm going to give Stellar a pass. Let's see what it does. Although it's Ripple family, I'll give it a pass. I didn't want to be a bad guy with it. And look, it's been performing. Rafterman said Samsung is with Theta. Okay. Mark D says needs to keep a lot of Vaseline on hand because this market can drop without warning. Indeed. Queen's Racist says long holding 2,000 Stellar selling like 10 years from now. Okay. Okay. Michael says CME futures ending today. I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't follow the futures that much. I'm not convinced with the futures, with the financial legacy institution, with the BACT, with the Fidelity. My experience is whenever the banks get into the game, there's a crash soon thereafter. So, you know, I don't know. I don't know. Let me know if there's any positive information concerning the CME that we may be interested in. Rafterman saying that Theta is a possible boomer. Okay, we'll check it out. HS says how many Stellars should be enough? I don't know. I don't know because I'm not holding that bag. Lazor says pick up more Theta on the pullback. Okay, so Rafterman and Lazor seem to agree with Theta. Rafterman says, I like the lights, and so do I, although it's one of the stinkier bags that I've been holding. So, you know, it is what it is. Impatient Potatoes in the box. Good morning. Yo, Peter is there, here in the box as well. He says Bitcoin all-time high was around December 10th and 11th. I expect a dump. Again, some will probably try to maximize their crypto losses for year ending 2018. And we just said that all week and even before. Be careful. Things may go down even more, okay? They may go down even more. We don't know. The Revolutionist says Charlie Lee, the founder of Litecoin, says that in 20 years, Bitcoin will be $10 million each. Wow. Okay, well, I'll take that. Okay, I'll take that indeed. I'll take that. So Charles Lee, the founder of Litecoin, says that in 20 years, Bitcoin will be $10 million each. So he's long term when it comes to the bits. And so am I. Now, I don't know if it's going to be 10 million. I'll take a million. I'll take 500,000 out there. I'm just trying to get past these all-time highs out there, boomers. Mark D says, Champ giving Stellar a pass, probably holding Ripple on the down low. Never that, Mark D. I keep it 1,000 with the boomers. If I jumped on the Ripple train, I'd let you guys know. I don't need to hide it from you. 70% of Bitcoin in my bag, says RZ. Used to have some Stella in 217. Okay, so we got a couple boomers here that are holding the Stellar bags. Lazar says Zilliqa had a good roadmap update. I don't know much about Zilliqa, but I've seen it out there, and my understanding is that it's not doing bad. Bora is here in the population. He says, boom. D-Rock says, yeah, this market, it's a trap in my Admiral Akbar voice. Long Star Wars reference, long term, indeed. Shout out to all my Star Wars maniacs, the Jedis, and those with the dark side of the Force as well. As cryptocurrency has a positive and negative charge, it comes both ways. Completes the circuit, keeps things grounded. Blockchain Susha says everyone should definitely research some of these NEP5 tokens. A lot of good projects on NEO going for fractions of a penny. Yeah, I got a little baby baggie of NEO. NEO is looking bad. It's less than AntShare prices at this point. Its former brand name. But we do know about the NEP5 tokens there on top of NEO. I'm sure that some of you guys that are holding NEO may have been airdropped some of those tokens. So we may want to take Blockchain Susha's opinion here and check that out. RZ says, you'll know bear market will be over when Charlie buys back Litecoin. I like that. When Charlie gets back into the game, then the bear market's open. I like that. Derek McLean says, gang, good morning to Derek. Mark D says, BTC Bulls weak AF right now, past the bull needles. The needle. Yeah, it looks... I'm not convinced with the bull run right now, Mark D. I'll be honest with you. I'm not convinced. I'm positive for the long gun, but for the short term, I don't know. Lazor is losing his belief in NEO. They need to do something soon. Yeah, I agree with that. Looks like NEO went silent ever since Ontology came into the game. I don't know what happened there. Guys, I'll take a few more comments and questions. There is not many headlines here that I think that we should be looking at. I think it's just the same as about yesterday. I do believe this could be a dead cat bounce. So my opinion is just, hold on for dear life out there. Things may go lower. I do agree with Mark D there. Things could go lower. So, that's the message of the day. Just keep one in the chamber and prepare and manage your expectations. D-Rock says, you joke, but I wouldn't doubt that. Big money loves buying back their assets back from the public, and then it booms again. You could be right out there. Reed Max says, I'm locked and loaded, ready to fire if Bitcoin drops some more. Indeed. Lazor says, thoughts on Cardano 2019, go live, still in play. I'll tell you, Lazor, it seems like most of the population of the chat box are positive when it comes to the future of Cardano. We got the Cardano general here, revolutionist, that he's basically gone all in on Cardano. He's a believer, and I like it. I'm not necessarily on the train, but I'm a supporter for those that are holding the Cardano. So I definitely think it has potential. Again, at the same time, it's just a bunch of promises right now, because the fact is with Cardano, nothing has been implemented as of late. Good morning, Original Copy. He says, what's up, champ? What's up to you, Copy? Let me drop you a bomb. Copy, one of our high-ranking officials out there. Good morning to him. Blockchain Suja says, just hold on. Cardano's a clear winner. And that's what a lot of people are saying. RZ says Cardano's in his bag as well. So, yeah, you could see that when it comes to Cardano, there is... definitely some bullish sentiment here when it comes to ADA. Jam says, nice one for the stream, man. Indeed. Thank you for tuning in there, Jam. Welcome to the population. Revolutionist is letting us know that he holds 95% of his bags in Cardano. Very, very bullish. He's gunning for Cardano. Now, I disagree with Revolutionist as far as his allocation of bags out there, but he's a believer and he's always welcome here in the population. A boomer out there out of United Kingdom leading the Cardano charge. He's a believer indeed. So if Cardano ends up going back to his all-time high, Revolutionist will be buying a castle and getting several princesses to live with him. Kaboom to you. Michael says Cardano needs a product or service to warrant its price. Yeah. I mean, definitely to warrant its price back when it was at an all-time high, but now it's at like about 3 cents. So, I would like to see something implemented sooner than later. Queen's Racist says, LMFAO, a castle. Yeah, apparently that's what Revolutionist is gunning for. He wants to buy a castle in the United Kingdom. Original Copies looking at BitShares and Bitcoin for long-term hodl. I like BitShares, although, you know, it hasn't done much. Derek McLean says, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to hit sub 3K for me to buy back in from when I sold everything at summer. Okay. And that very well may happen. We just don't know. And we've said this before, though, you know, be careful trying to time the bottom. You know, I don't think that anyone could time the very bottom right now. So, you know, DCA, dollar cost average, may be a better way to get into the game. I don't know. Andreas says Amazon stock dropped approximately 95% in 2001. Look where it is today. I think we've still got some way to go. I agree with you absolutely there, Andreas. Thanks for letting us know. And this bubble burst is similar to the .com crash there at the turn of the millennium. You know, we also shared that in the past, Bitcoin has lost up to 94% from his all-time high, and it continued to boom. So, you know, we still have some room to go down, but for the long gun, Bitcoin may very well follow the path that Amazon did before. Thank you for sharing that, Andreas. Oh my God, 3 cents still, says Queen's Racist regarding Cardano. Anybody have any news on IOTA, says Blockchain Susha. I don't know. I know the last thing is that they were booming with one of the car manufacturers. Now I'm going blank. Volkswagen. But other than that, I don't know. Good morning to Pepe Air Toro. Valentino is trying to shill here. Valentino, I'm going to throw you out the box. You don't need to. I've never seen you before here trying to shill whatever you're shilling. It's a bad taste. So you're in timeout. Get out of here. Snipe them out the box. What's a good gaming altcoin? Pepe El Toro's asking. I've been looking at Decentraland and Vibe Hub. Check those out and tell me what you think about those. I've been checking those out. Those look good to me. D-Rock says, look at Apple this year. It'll bounce back. Also, greed forgets the past and gets in on the train. Indeed. Derek says, Binance and Bitcoin are the only project on Amazon's level right now. I don't know if either. I don't think they're on Amazon's level. I think Amazon's on another level. But let's see. Let's see. Wax. Yeah, Wax is another gaming token you may want to check out. Thanks for letting us know about that one, Lazar. Original Copy is letting us know about Mana, which is Decentraland. Get out of here, Valentino. Yeah, Valentino, whoever that was, a bot or whatever, trying to shill some services. We don't need to get out of the box out here. You know who the bots are. Guys you've never seen before, and then they try to promote a project or something like that. It's bad taste. If you've never been here in the population and shared some valuable info, we don't want you shilling anything here. We get thrown out the box immediately. Original Copy, he's doubting Apple. He says, I don't know about Apple. I think it may be coming down. Perhaps, maybe. I don't know. VR gaming is catching a trend. The games are getting better, says Pepe El Toro. Yeah, that's what Decentraland's all about. It's a virtual reality there. So you may want to check it out. It definitely is attractive to me. Revolutionist says, Queens, Cardano will be releasing preloaded Cardano debit cards from the 10th of December 2018 that can be used over 40,000 Mat app stores. Then Q1 2019 ADA staking. Yeah, we are expecting that. Let's see it if they implement it. If they could hit their roadmap and stay on track, I think it's going to be a good thing for Cardano. Derek McLean says, yeah, I mean, relative to the crypto market. Yeah, you may be right. Comparing Amazon and Bitcoin, you know, although Amazon's way bigger. Gaming token, I bought some First Blood, but it doesn't look good. Was supposed to get into MLG and betting, but it's flat. First Blood caught my attention a while back. It was one of the first gaming tokens that caught my attention, but you're right, it doesn't look good. After I checked it out, I mean, there wasn't much community around it. So, I mean, I like the idea, but I haven't heard much about it since. Pepe says the gaming industry is more likely to switch to crypto more than others. Yeah, I agree. That's why I've listed in it. I got a video down there below if you guys may want to check it out if you haven't already. Top 5 blockchain industries that I expect to kaboom here in the future. One of those industries being the gaming industry. And I talked about Mana there as well. So I agree with Pepe. Kaboom the like, says Blockchain Susha. Indeed, touch the buttons for me out there, guys. Derek says, are they 2 live streams today? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start tuning out. We'll be doing the second live stream. We do a general self-improvement chat, crypto, diet, and exercise. We talk about strength training, eating well, general self-improvement, ways to become a better man here in the alternative frequency that crypto has brought us together with. You know, general open discussions, and we can even talk about other things. In the past, we've talked even about time travel and stuff like that. So it's just going to be more of an open discussion here for the brothers to congregate and chop it up here. We'll be doing that every Friday, and we'll do that next. Quite a few viewers, champ. Yeah, 302 watching. That may have to do with that shiller that just came in and I threw out the box. This happened once before. Someone came into the box. They tried to shill me a service out there, and it looks like they're trying to sell me some sort of robots, because after the stream I checked it out and the views didn't remain. So these could be phony fake views. These could be fake viewers out there. Over 300 in the box. I don't know. I think it has to do with that shiller that just came into the box. This happened like 2 weeks ago, where we went from 50 people to like 500 people in like 2 minutes. You know, I'm not believing it. I'm not believing that. You know, they're trying to shill us something out there, boomers. Some sort of a service out there. Champagne doesn't need fake views out there. Yeah, I saw that on your channel yesterday, champ. Shilling in your comments. Yeah, they're trying to shill in the comments, trying to sell me robots or whatnot. Russian bots. Lee Benke says roll call. Yeah, I doubt that there's 347 maniacs watching, and all of a sudden from 1 minute to another. But we'll snipe them. 372 now. I mean, I have 340 on my side. It looks like it had something to do with that funny bunny Valentino that just came in the box. Like, oh, look, let me show you what I can do for you. And then when you get offline and, you know, the stream ends, none of those views retain. So let's see if this is real. You know, we'll check back here on our second live stream. We'll check back on this one and see if these views remain. But watch out, guys. This may be funny bunny. They may be trying to pull a fast one on us here, guys. Keeps going up, says Impatient Potato. Yeah, indeed. I think these are bots, guys. I don't think they're actual real viewers. But hey, if they are, it's the voice here. Your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber, kabooming with the best of them, with the original crypto maniac boomers. There's a lot of people calling themselves boomers now, calling themselves crypto maniacs, calling themselves voice of the blockchain, but they're not the originals here. Kaboom to that. Remember where you heard it first. Shout out to D-Rock, Mike Mizzi, Impatient Potato, RZ, Lee Benke, and the rest of the boomers. Pepe El Toro, Queens Races. We got day one snipers here in the box. And we may have a bunch of funny bunny bots following us right now, too. So let it be known. Got to watch out there. I'll tell you, post a video. The majority of the comments now, they're just a bunch of bots out there. I remove them. That's why sometimes, you know, the real guys here, when they drop me a link, sometimes it's not posted because, you know, I had to turn off all the links. Too many bots out there. Lee Benke with the $4.99. Kaboom. Let me throw you a little bit of money off the ceiling. Lee Benke showing love today. I appreciate you, Lee. One of our high-ranking sniper official generals there in the foxholes of the blockchain battlefield trenches. Lee, thank you once again. Snipe all the funny bunnies out the box. Nano says, champ, I'm seeing 7 watching now. Okay, well, I got 350 on my end. I don't care, guys. Just as long as we got real guys like Lee, like Rafterman, like D-Rock, like the rest of the boomers that I see you here daily, it's all good. I don't care for the extra 300 or whatnot. I hope all you guys make perfect trades, buy the bottom and sell the top on all your trades later, guys. Kaboom. Shout out to Blockchain Susha. You know, I don't know if we're going to find the exact bottom. I don't know if anybody knows where the bottom is or the top is out there, but we appreciate your positive energy out there. Have a great day, Blockchain. Rafterman says, come on, only 4 likes. Yeah, there you go. That's how you know it's funny bunny. 350 something watching, only 4 likes. I'm not believing the bots out there. Revolutionist says, Apollo smells funny bunny. Yeah, I checked it out. It's not really something that I'm interested in, so it is what it is. Impatient Potato says 420. What's happening? I see 420 now. I see 410 now. 441. Yeah, someone's trying to show me a service. You know, like buy a service from us. We can make your live stream look bigger than it really is with the fake views or whatnot. But these views, they don't retain is what I'm understanding. So we may be under the influence of Russian bots right now. We don't know. Okay, but hopefully they're not, and we'll take the extra views. I'm not a swing trade, my brother. I'm not a swing trader, my brother. Thanks for the positivity, though. I want to be rich, but not overnight. Indeed, I feel the same way there, D-Rock. I'm not a swing trader, and I would love to be rich, but I understand that, well, we already are rich, but we would like to get richer, but it doesn't happen overnight. You know, being rich is a matter of perspective out there, guys. Whoa, did you get unshadow banned, says Crypto Stacks. I think these are fake viewers, Crypto Stacks. We just had a shiller in here trying to sell us some services. I threw him out the box. But this happened once before where we got a bunch of views from 1 second to another, but they did not retain. Lee Banky says, I'm on the core team for Apollo. Not sure where the funny bunny comment came from. I never shill. No, I know you never do, Lee. I know you never do. I've checked the project out and it wasn't attractive to me. I did it a cursory glance. Maybe I can give it another look just because I know you're an official dude. You're not a bunny, a funny bunny. You know, I'll check it out once again. I appreciate you though, Lee. I know you're not here to shill at all. Fanny says, we are under surveillance, champ. Apparently. D-Rock says, if you're real, thumbs up the likes. Yeah, if you're real out there, thumbs up the likes. Let us know that you're tuning into the frequencies. Mike Measy says, they had some get fished, and with quick action help from the exchange, they were able to get the thief to return their funds. I don't know about that. I don't know what you're talking about. Suave House says, sub champ, the bottom is gradually appearing and the uptrend must rest. Cats have 9 lives, baby. I like that. I like that. Maybe you are right. 517 watching right now. These look like funny bunnies. Lee Banky says, no worries, champ. No worries at all. You know, always keep it 1,000. And I see you all the time here in the population. You're always one of the first ones that comment. So I know you're not funny bunny, Lee. But I did check it out, and, you know, I'm giving my personal opinion. I gave it a cursory sweep. So I don't know, you know, maybe, you know, that's something that you guys may want to think of, you know, but that's what it is. I'll check it once again. Thank you, Lee, for the love. Smash the likes indeed, guys. Subscribe, post notification bell, the ding ding. Check Zach's review out on Apollo. I don't know who Zach is either. So, no. And I know Lee has never came in here actually shilling Apollo. I see that you have the Apollo icon, but I don't think never once has Lee tried to tell us anything about Apollo. He's always here showing love regardless. So it's all good, Lee. It's all good. We appreciate you. Crypto Stacks like is in. Smash that like. Indeed. Guys, I'll take a few more comments and questions. Shake out some of these Russian bots that appear to be attacking the live stream. It's all good. And we'll be back in a few minutes with a second live stream. It's going to be the general self-improvement chat that we do here every Friday as a second live stream. We talk about crypto diet and exercise and general ways to become better men out there. Will the Thrill says, what's the point of this channel? What's the point of your post, Will? We never seen you before. Are you one of the Russian bots? Snipe Will out the box. Yeah, just another troll out there. It's okay. Tuning in from work. Hope all is well. Shout out to Cliff Martin, another boomer. Lee Banky says keto time. Yeah, we've talked about the keto diet. Now, personally, I stopped doing the keto diet. Now I've upped my carbohydrate intake, but I am a believer on the ketogenic diet. I'm definitely a believer. I used it. I stick to it for about 2 to 3 months, and it worked. Now, I got to the weight that I wanted to get to, and right now I'm trying to optimize my strength, and I'm not concerned with losing any more weight, so I don't need to use that diet anymore. But if you're interested in losing weight and feeling good and reducing inflammation, ketogenic diet could be for you. Nano says, champ, let's talk about the gym workouts. We will on the next live stream. I'm going to go ahead and tune out, and I'll be back in a few minutes, and we'll do a whole entire general self-improvement chat where we could talk about that. Will the Thrill likes the crypto, man, but I'm waiting to hear your take. I'm here every day, Will. You're late to the show. I mean, I'm here every single day. So go ahead and hit the button, the post notification bell, the subscribe or whatnot. We're here every morning talking about the good crypto word. And then on Friday, we do a second live stream where we talk about general self-improvement, diet, and exercise. So, you know, hit the replay and check out all the videos we do. Mike Measy says, I did great in dieting with Thrive. Back to high school weight. I've never heard of that. Thrive. I don't know what that is. Revolutionist is asking Lee if Apollo coins will be anonymous like Monero. That's a good question. Rafterman says, great chat, my general. Thank you for tuning in. Rafterman, I always appreciate you. Rafterman is one of our most gratuitous members here in the population, a crypto brother out there. I'll give Lee some time to answer Revolutionist's question before I tune out. Shout out to everybody out there. Rafterman, Revolutionist, Mike Measy, even Will, that he's a newbie out here and he doesn't know what's going on. But stay tuned in, Will. Maybe we'll convert you from a mouse to a man here, from a victim to a victor, okay? From the feast to the famine out here, Will. Tune in to the good crypto word. All right, guys, I see the live stream health is on red, so I'm going to go ahead and go out. Lee Benke has responded. He says, yes, PM me if you want to know more. Okay, there you go. D-Rock says, see you boys and girls on the next chat. Yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes. Let me go ahead and upload the new thumbnail. Give it about 5 or 10 minutes, and I'll be back, guys. On that note, as far as the crypto, I'll be back on Monday with the good crypto word in the morning. And if you want to go ahead and talk about other things, crypto diet and exercise, catch us on the second live stream. It's the voice of the blockchain here, Satoshi's biggest cousin, cryptography's finest, Champagne Crypto. Thanks for tuning in.